Hey there, this is Wendy, welcome. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm going to do a quick introduction because I want to make sure you know who you're talking to. My name is Wendy, I'm a Stampin UP demonstrator, and my website is lovinstampin.com. So it's a place that you can visit to get all the information about me. But today I'm here to show you the brand new Snowflake Showcase Products. They are actually not even available for sale yet. Hey Chris. You have to actually become a demonstrator or purchase the starter kit to get them because they're in the pre-order period. So the pre-order period is October 1st through the 31st, and then a customer can actually purchase them on November 1st. But I want to talk to you about purchasing the products now if you love them. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you all the products that are brand new. They've just been released literally yesterday, and I had them overnight shipped so that I could show them to you today. So I'm going to flip the camera around, and then you have to give me just a second to adjust it. And hopefully my little doggies aren't going to bark too much. Sorry guys. There we go. That's somewhat okay, huh? This thing. I have to tell you, this thing is hard to move that I show stuff on. Okay, hopefully that's okay. Good Lord. All right, so, oh yay, Fran. Fran says she got her prize today from me. She won a goodie. All right, so here's the new products, and we're gonna talk about how you can get them now instead of waiting until November. So we'll start with the Snowflake Trinkets. These are so stinking cute. Look at these. By the way, if you want to see all of these item numbers and how much they cost, they are listed in the description of this video. So if you just tap on the video, it'll pull up the description and you'll see it there. Now, I want to keep saying you can't purchase these products right now unless you purchase the starter kit. So you could place an order, go on to the link I have where it says purchase the starter kit, click that. And then when you click that, you're going to be able to put in item numbers for the products, and you'll be able to get them super early. So we're going to talk about the benefits of being part of my group, my team, my tribe. So here's the Snowflake Thinlits. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot wait to craft with these. And this is just, I mean, my heart about skipped a beat when I saw this. Pitter patters. Oh, I just love them. I love them. I love snowflakes. I love snowmen. I'm a big fan of both of those things. So I was so excited when I saw this stuff. Okay, so to purchase the starter kit, a lot of people are afraid to do that because they think it means that you have to be a demonstrator, or you have to have parties, or you have to sell a certain amount, or whatever. None of those things are true. You don't have to sell a thing. You don't have to have a workshop. You don't have to have a party. You don't have to do Facebook Lives. You don't have to do any of those things. You can simply purchase the starter kit, be part of my group, see how you like it, get your feet wet. And if you don't like it and you don't want to continue being part of it, then you simply go inactive and it's not a big deal. You just are no longer part of it and you no longer get the discount. So we're going to talk about the benefits of purchasing the starter kit in just a second. Here's the Snow is Glistening set. And the images are actually quite a bit bigger than they are on the box. So you can see here the comparison. The tree is like way bigger than this. So beautiful. And can the snowflakes be embossed as die cut as well? Oh yes, you could emboss with these by using the embossing mat. Absolutely. You could emboss these into a piece of cardstock for sure. Okay, so this is joy, Merry Christmas to you, and peace on earth to all the world. For you, sending a blizzard of wishes for a wonderful season. Each snowflake is beautiful, sparkling, and special just like you. I just love this stamp set. It's going to be so pretty to make stuff with. And I'm going to, as soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to be making some stuff with this because I can't wait. Then there's also this one, Happiness Surrounds, which is gorgeous. Absolutely love the sentiment. Sending positive thoughts. Hello, friend. It's your day. Surround yourself with happiness. Congratulations. And here's to new beginnings. And then these images could be used for fall or Christmas or whatever. They're so pretty. So if you want your hands on this now, purchase the starter kit and put these items in your starter kit. You could get all of this stuff in your starter kit. So the way it works is you click the link that's in the description of this video where it says purchase the kit. You go to that link and you put in these item numbers. You will not be able to purchase these anywhere else right now. You cannot just go on and place them in an order. You can only get these items if you purchase the kit. So you purchase the kit, and once you do that, I will get an email from Stampin UP that will say that you're now part of my tribe, part of my group, and I will add you to my exclusive Facebook group where we have all kinds of fun. We do lots of fun things. In fact, next week we're having a creative rally, which is really fun. We're going to make some fun stuff, and it's all exclusive to my team members only. And then where I do prize patrols, so you have opportunities to win prizes, and it's just a lot of fun. And every Tuesday we meet live, and we have a great group. Okay, so the other benefits are you get 20% off of all your orders. So when you place an order, you get 20% off. And then you get to be part of our group. You get exclusive product early before anybody else. Every week we get this awesome email from Stampin UP called Succeed Weekly, and it has really fun ideas in it of cards you can make and product you can use and stuff like that. I just love that. I love that email every week. I look forward to it. And we get to do lots of other fun stuff. So if you love these products and you can't wait till November to get them, and you're looking for an awesome community to be a part of for all your crafting and creating needs, please purchase the starter kit and become part of our group. You will absolutely love it. I can promise and guarantee you, you will not regret your decision. Plus you get the discount. So if you're already making purchases, you may as well purchase the starter kit to get that 20% off. Okay, that's it for today, my friends. I just wanted to show you these products that just came in. They are so beautiful, and I'm going to go create some stuff with them, and then I'll be sharing it on my... Oh, I almost forgot to show you the paper. Huh. It's really not much to see because it's just white, but it's velvety. So it's got like a velvet flocked finish, and there's 2 sheets of that also. So all the item numbers for all these products and the amount of the products, the price of them, are listed in the description of the video, along with a link to purchase the starter kit and a link to view more information about my team in case you're on the fence and you're not sure if you really want to purchase it. Then you can go there. All right, I will talk to you later. Thanks so much for tuning in for a really quick Facebook Live. I hope you have a great day. Bye.